Namaskar. We are on chapter 1, sloka number 4. So in this video I'm going to cover 4, 5 and 6 because they are all very similar themed. The general theme is that Duryodhana is naming all of the key fighters in the Pandava army. So Atra Shura Maheshwasa Bhimarjuna Sama Yudhi Yuyudhano Viratascha Drupadascha Maharatah. So here he's saying how many different fighters are there, heroic bowmen that are comparable with Arjuna, and also people that are as good as Bhima, fighters like Yuyudhana, Viratha and Drupada are all in the Pandava army, and they are all leading the army. In the next one he says Drishtakeshu Kithanaha Kashirajascha Viryavan Purujit Kuntibojascha Shaibhyascha Narapungvaha. So there are other fighters also, powerful fighters like Drishtaketu, Kekithana, Kasiraja, Purujit, Kuntiboja and Shaibhya. So these are some of the prominent. Although they're prominent, they are not discussed an awful lot in the rest of the story as I learn. But while I am focusing on the Bhagavad Gita here, I'm also reading the Mahabharata, different versions of the Mahabharata. It'll be a while before I know an awful lot more, but like I said, this is my first step. So, sloka number 6. Yudhamanyuscha Vikranta Utthamajascha Viryavan Saubhadro Draupadiyascha Sarva Eva Maharatah. So there are many chariot fighters like Yudhamanyu, Uttamaja, the son of Subhadra, and the sons of Draupadi are also there. So I had mentioned about Drishtadyumna earlier, but apparently there are two other sons of Draupada, King Draupad, that feature in the story as well. So Yudhamanyu is one of them. These two brothers, Yudhamanyu and Uttamaja, they are said to be the bodyguards, if you like, or they were meant to protect the chariot of Arjuna. So when I read about how they had discussed this formation, so to start with, these two brothers were going to be on either side of the chariot of Arjuna, and then later they were repositioned elsewhere. So I can imagine what might have been going on and how in a war at that day and age they might have developed the strategies to protect the key warrior. They are quite capable warriors, and it is evident from the fact that they actually survived the 18 days, and they were only killed on the 18th night. That too, they were killed by Ashwatthama. So Duryodhana was in hiding apparently, and these two brothers were also sent to look for Duryodhana, but they couldn't find him when Duryodhana was hiding around the lake. But Duryodhana instigated Ashwatthama to seek revenge for the death of Dronacharya. So Ashwatthama came into the Pandava camp when people were sleeping, and that's when he killed Yudhamanyu and Uttamaja. So it is quite interesting to know about these other characters as well. So now we have come to the 6th sloka in the Bhagavad Gita chapter 1. In the next video, we'll move on to the 7th sloka where Duryodhana starts talking about his army. See ya.